Good morning from Lake of the Ozarks, or good night, or good evening. I don't know what time you're watching this, but it's 8:30 in the morning on a Monday. I'm Melissa Collins with Krantz Associates at REMAX Lake of the Ozarks, and this is 251 Maple Road, Unit E1 in Lake Ozark. Let's go look. This could quite possibly be one of the most impeccably kept condos I've ever stepped foot in. It's an adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It checks every box and then some. Not only does it come completely turnkey, but it also offers awesome main channel views that you can enjoy right from your own deck. From the spotless interior to the thoughtful updates, you can tell the owners have truly loved and cared for this place. All you have to do is bring your suitcase and start living the lake life. If you'd like to schedule your private showing of this cutesy patootsy condo, call me at 573-302-2355. Melissa Collins with Krantz Associates at REMAX Lake of the Ozarks.